When it comes to building a custom e-commerce store, Zyro and WooCommerce are two popular choices. But which one is more suitable for your business needs? Stick around because we're going to break down the key features of each platform, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one is better suited to your goals. First things first, Zyro is known for its simplicity and ease of use. If you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much time learning the ins and outs of an e-commerce platform, Zyro may be your go-to. It's a drag-and-drop builder, which makes creating your store feel like a walk in the park. Whether you're a small business or a first-time store owner, Zyro's pre-built templates help you get your store up and running fast. But there's a catch. For all that ease, customization options are somewhat limited. You're restricted to the templates, and while they look great, if you want something truly unique, you might feel boxed in. Next thing, let's talk about WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress, and that gives it a huge advantage in terms of flexibility and customization. If you have some technical know-how or are willing to learn, WooCommerce allows you to design your store exactly how you want it. You can customize themes, add functionality through extensions, and tweak almost every aspect of your site. But with great power comes great responsibility. WooCommerce can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. There's a steep learning curve, and you might find yourself spending more time troubleshooting than actually building your store. The third thing to consider is pricing. Zyro comes with an affordable pricing structure, especially for people just starting out. Their plans include hosting, and you won't have to worry about hidden fees. On the flip side, WooCommerce itself is free to install, but it's not without costs. You'll need to pay for hosting, a theme, if you don't want to use a basic one, and various extensions that can quickly add up. This can make WooCommerce more expensive in the long run, especially as your store grows and you need additional features. Fourth thing, scalability. WooCommerce wins this round if you plan on growing your business over time. Since it's built on WordPress, it has the infrastructure to handle large stores with thousands of products. Zyro, while great for small to medium stores, may struggle when you hit that growth stage. Its simplicity could become a limitation as your needs become more complex. Next, let's talk about SEO and marketing. WooCommerce has an edge here as well. Since it integrates seamlessly with WordPress, you can take advantage of powerful SEO plugins like Yoast. WooCommerce also supports email marketing integrations, advanced analytics, and other tools to help you grow your business. Zyro does have basic SEO features, but if you want something more advanced or granular, it might fall short. The sixth thing is customer support. Zyro offers 24/7 support, which is great for those who need help quickly. However, WooCommerce relies on the WordPress community and the support of third-party developers. This means you might need to search for answers in forums or rely on paid support options if you run into trouble. Finally, let's get to the important part. Both Zyro and WooCommerce are solid platforms depending on your needs. Zyro is great for beginners and small stores looking for simplicity, but if you want flexibility, customization, and scalability for a growing business, WooCommerce takes the lead. But after trying both, I've found a platform that better suits the goals of building a custom e-commerce store with more control and fewer limitations. If you want to try out a better alternative for your custom store, click the first link in the description below to take advantage of an exclusive free trial and benefits available only for our viewers.